Hi guys, it's Jodi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be filming a plan with me in my Erin Condren. And it's a special plan with me because first off, I'm outside. It's way too nice to be inside the house. So I thought I would film out here. So you're going to hear noises of birds and probably people walking by. Hopefully nobody will cut the grass. But like I said, it was beautiful out, so I wanted to film outside. It's also my anniversary week. Excuse me, that was a mosquito. I'm not just waving at the air. So it's my anniversary week this week. We've been married 20 years on the 7th, and I'm using this absolutely gorgeous kit from Nedi Designs. It's called Swan Love. And look at these full boxes. Aren't they gorgeous? And it's foiled with rose gold. So those are the full boxes. And there's half boxes and checklists and sidebar, bill due. There's your bottom washi and some washi strips and a side tracker. And then there's the date covers, and I've put date dots on it from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans, and they're in pink foil because I'm putting pink foil with rose gold today. And then there's numbers and flags. And then again, the headers. So what I'm going to do is I've whited everything out, and I'm going to go ahead and put all of this down, and then I'm going to come right back. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have all of my headers, the date covers, and the bottom washi laid down. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get the full boxes laid down. So my anniversary is on the 7th, and my stepson, his anniversary is on the 6th. So I'm going to put these beautiful swans on those days. There you go. That looks so pretty. Oops. The birds are going crazy out here right now. I think there's a cat in the yard. So if you hear them squawking, you'll know why. I had to pause the camera and not film for a little bit because they were making so much noise. But I'm outside. I'm in their space. So I think I'm going to put this pretty box here down in the corner. I'm going to use this one for my theme box this week. So I finally figured out how to lay the headers down. Watch, it won't work today. I finally figured out how to lay them down. Oh, that's my woodpecker. I have a tray of peanuts that I throw to them because the woodpeckers come and the blue jays come and the chipmunks come. So you'll hear them asking me for peanuts. So this blue one I'm going to put up in the corner here. So it's my 20th anniversary. Oops, it's not going to fit apparently. I know I placed my headers the same way that I did last week and the week before. There. So there'll be a little bit of space at the bottom. And I'll put another one of these floral ones in this spot. And I don't have a weekend banner, so I'm going to go ahead and put one on the top. Normally I don't. Usually the top is where I put my weekend banner, but I didn't order that page. I ordered the kit a la carte, so I only got 4 of the pages. It's a much larger full kit, and if you do order the full kit, you get a freebie with it, and it's a really pretty freebie. You get some headers and such with it. And then this last one I'm going to put down at the bottom corner. So how is your summer going? Are you enjoying your summer? Ah, I ripped that one. Ugh. I bet you were telling me that I ripped it. Just a little bit on the corner. A little bit of sticker surgery and it will be fine. Must have just been caught on that one little corner, just enough to tear the box. And this paper is so delicate. I love her kits. They're absolutely gorgeous. Her paper is premium matte and it is so silky. and it is just beautiful, and the foiling is gorgeous. So now that we've got that done, I'm going to go ahead and flip over, and I'm going to start my day today. So I've pulled in some foil from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans, and some from Simply Beautiful Plans, and one from Creations by Jaro that she made for me called Baked Cake. I'm making a wedding cake this week, and some just other little functionals, and then some habit trackers and a sidebar because I didn't order enough with the kit. So let's go ahead and get my plans in. So this is a gorgeous washi stack, and it's in rose gold foil, and it's from Simply Beautiful Plans. And I do have a coupon code. It's JODICAKE, and that's for 15% off of your order. And she's a Canadian shop, so people from the US, you'll appreciate the fact that your dollar is worth more in Canada. So you'll get a really good kit for lots of money, or cheap money. Monday is a civic holiday for us, so I'm going to go ahead and put a box in. And I'm going to mark that. It's one of these pretty foiled boxes. And I got my script again from Simply Beautiful Plans. It's a larger sheet, but I cut it so that it fits in my little storage. So I'm going to take the Civic Holiday sticker, if I don't rip it first, and manhandle it off the page. There we go. I'm not sure, do you have a long weekend this weekend in the States, or is it just us in Canada? So also on Wednesday I meal plan, so I'm going to go ahead and put some, this is a pink foil from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans, and it's a meal icon. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right above it for my meal planning. And I meal plan on Wednesdays because I grocery shop on Thursdays. And this is beautiful rose gold or pink gold foil nail polish, and I've got a wedding on Saturday, so Friday I'm going to do my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. And sorry I'm flipping all over the place, but I have my stickers in a stack, so I thought I would go in the order that I have them. Now I just pulled one off because I'm a klutz, and this is a wash machine again in pink gold foil, and again from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. And Sunday I do my laundry. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And Thursday I'm baking the cake. Wednesday I'm going to bake the cake, and Friday we're decorating it for a wedding on Saturday. My girlfriend and I are doing it for the people that we're going to the wedding for. So I'm going to go ahead and put a box in, but I'm going to put, it's a quarter box this time. I'm going to try and get it straight. And so put this really pretty baked cake script, and this is from Creations by Jaro. Her shop is on holidays right now, but it will be reopening at the end of August. And good news is she's going to be taking part in the sale that I host, which is the Planner Girls United sale. So you'll have to stay tuned because this shop and Lil'Annabelle'sPlans are going to both be in the sale, and they're going to have some really good discounts on their stickers. So along with that baked cake, I'm going to put a little cake in. It's a little cupcake, but it's in rose gold foil, and it would look pretty. And also on Wednesday, that's my anniversary, so I'm going to put a big box. And it's in the deeper pink. And I'm going to try and get it straight. And on that box, I have a sticker from Viva Planner, and it says anniversary, and it's really pretty. And I've been saving it for a year. I believe she's changed the name of her shop now, and I right offhand can't remember it. If I find it and I think about it, I'll put the link down below. So that's it for my 20th anniversary. And on Tuesday is my stepson's anniversary, so I'm going to go ahead and put a box in for them. And that's 5 years they've been married, and they've given me 2 gorgeous granddaughters. And so we'll be celebrating with them on Tuesday. So I'll go ahead and put that box in. And I pulled out somewhere in this mess. This is from The Prairie Planner, and I'm a PR for her shop as well. And again, she's going to be in my sale. And that sale is from September the 6th to the 9th. 6th to the 8th, sorry. So that's for Tony and Jaylene's anniversary. And the wedding is on Saturday morning. So I'm going to go ahead and put another box in there. And I think I'll use the light, no, I'm going to use one of these foiled ones with the stars. And put that in. And it's funny because I'm making the cake and my husband is a photographer, so he's actually going to be doing the photos for the wedding. And I'm going to use these pink foiled hearts, doubled hearts, and they're from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. So you can get them in her shop. And I'm going to put that there, and that's for Karen and Doug's wedding. So it's going to be a beautiful day. I'm really looking forward to it. And on Friday, it's new releases for Lil'Annabelle'sPlans and The Prairie Planner. So I'm going to go ahead and put a box in for that. And I do have a script. I didn't pull it out, so I'm going to do that now. This is my foil from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. And I have a new releases script in here somewhere. There we go. Let's see if I have it on the right color. Oh, I don't. I only have silver and gold, so I can't put that in. So I'll have to handwrite it this week. So much for that. And Thursday, I grocery shop, so I'm going to go ahead and put a box in for that as well. And Sunday, I know I'm going to need coffee after the wedding. It's probably going to be a very slow morning, so I'm going to put another pink coffee cup, and that's from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans as well. And they're in her shop right now, but she does not have pink foil any longer. She has gold, rose gold, silver, and copper. And I'm going to put one in on Monday as well, because you know, Coffee Monday. And on Tuesday, I'm going to be doing some work for Creations by Jaro. That's the shop I was speaking about. I'm the lead PR for her. And I'm going to be preparing a PR application because we're going to be taking a new PR team in. So again, these are computers, and they're from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans, and they're in the pink foil. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And it is also $2 Tuesday. So I'm going to put another box in for $2 Tuesday, and that's for Lil'Annabelle'sPlans, The Prairie Planner, and Winterfield Studios, all shops that I PR for, and they've all got $2 Tuesday up this week. And you'll find all the codes below for all of my shops. And that's it for my weekly plans. I think that's everything that I down. So let's go ahead and do the sidebar. And so I'm going to take some of these gorgeous foil washi strips, and I'm going to turn it this way because I can never get them down straight if I do it the other way. So how is your summer going? Are you doing anything special? Are you getting out and about? Have you gone on vacation? We've been on staycation this year. We live near a great lake, and so you can go down to the lake and go and camp or spend the day down. And my husband's a photographer, so we take the cameras down and take pictures of the wildlife and people watch. So we do that, and the grandkids have come up and visit us a few times. So we're looking forward to many more visits. These are from just some leftovers that I have, and I'm going to go ahead and use this pink one. It doesn't match perfectly, but it will do because, again, I didn't order the habit trackers. I didn't order the page that had all of this stuff on it. And I'm going to use the blue one as well because I track 2 habits. And that is so crooked. What did I do? Let's see if I can get them up without ripping them. There we go. I think this is the culprit. This one here is crooked. Let's try that again. Yep, I think that got it that time. Perfect. So I'm going to lay another habit tracker down, but I think, nope, I used all my foot boxes, so I'll lay another habit tracker down. Lay a piece of washi. And where did I put it? There it is. I'll take the last, one more blue one, and get that in. There. Put the habit tracker in. So I'll do one for meals, and I'll do one for my filming schedule. And I have a little bit of space at the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and put, fill it up with washi strips. If I can get them laid in straight, it would be great. Okay. We're just going to pretend that's straight. And there we go. So that's perfect. It's all finished. I'm going to clean up my mess a little bit. And I'll open it up so you can see the spread. Isn't that lovely? It's so pretty. I'm loving it. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know if I can do a bib wiggle here because of the lighting, but let's try and see. Oh yeah, look how gorgeous it is. Oh, I'm so happy with the spread. It's just beautiful. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for visiting with me. I appreciate every new subscriber and every subscriber that's stuck with me from the beginning. Thank you very much. You make my channel worthwhile. And if you like what you see, please leave a comment and like the video and hit subscribe. I'd love to have you become a new subscriber, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when my next video is uploaded. Thanks for visiting. Bye now. Have a great day.